everyone and welcome to another video. Today I have something to ask. How many of you clean earwax from your ears? Well, let me tell you this that doing this can seriously cause you problems. But don't worry. First let me tell you how earwax is formed. Ear produces wax to clean and protect itself, which is secreted by some glands. The role of this wax is to prevent dust and dirt particles to enter your ears. By producing it, your ears are trying to protect themselves. Now, let me tell you what can be the consequences. You probably think you're cleaning your ears, but this can actually cause a more bigger problem. It can cause many problems such as earache, retention of water in the ear canal, bleeding, and eardrum hole, etc. But what to do if you have irritations? Understand the problem, and if it persists, consult a doctor. Thank you and see you in the next video.